aprender español es todo un viaje y cuando llegas a cierto nivel te das cuenta que algunas expresiones hacen que suenas súper natural. Sin embargo, nadie te enseña estas frases. Hola a todos, soy Alison and welcome to Spanish 55. Today, you're going to learn 5 expressions that instantly make you sound more fluent in Spanish. The first one is sin embargo, which means however or nevertheless. This one is a game changer. And when you're linking ideas like a pro, instead of just always using pero, which is but, switch it up a bit with sin embargo. It makes your Spanish sound way more polished. For example, quiero aprender español rápido. Sin embargo, sé que requiere paciencia. I want to learn Spanish fast. However, I know it takes patience. See, instantly smoother. Number 2, así es. That's right, or exactly. This is the perfect confirmation phrase that natives use all the time. If someone says something true, instead of just nodding or saying, sí, try así es. For example, el español tiene muchas variantes según el país. Así es. That's right. It's simple, but makes you sound more natural. And if you would like to keep leveling up your Spanish, check out Spanish 55. Their one-on-one coaching helped me so much when I was learning Spanish. And I know it's going to help you. And if you like, I'd like you to check the link in the description below. Your first consultation is free. Number 3, sobre todo, which means above all or especially. This one helps you to emphasize the most important point in a sentence. For example, quiero mejorar mi español, sobre todo mi pronunciación. I want to improve my Spanish, especially my pronunciation. Native speakers use this all the time to highlight key ideas. Start using it and you'll blend right in. Okay, number 4, por supuesto. Of course, naturally. You probably know claro. But if you want to level things up a little bit, use por supuesto instead. It sounds more fluent. For example, ¿me puedes ayudar con mi español? Por supuesto. Of course. It's polite, it's natural, and yes, indeed, it makes you sound like a pro. Number 5, con base en, based on. This one is amazing when you want to sound clear and precise. Professionals or formal situations. For example, con base en lo que aprendimos hoy, deberías practicar estas frases. Based on what we learned today, you should practice these phrases. It's a little more advanced, but once you get comfortable with it, you'll impress, yes, everyone. And I've noticed that even native speakers get this wrong. A lot of people say en base de or con base en, and that's not how we use the preposition a and the preposition de. So watch out for that. By the way, if you'd like to learn more about these little words, I'm going to leave a video for you in the description made by my friend Dania, where she explains Spanish prepositions more in depth. It's entitled 10 or more essential Spanish prepositions to boost your fluency. Time to put these to use. Next time you're speaking Spanish, try slipping one of these and see how natural you're gonna sound. So, which one of these expressions was new for you? I would like to know about it. Let me know in the comments below. Hasta la próxima.